Okay, very good morning, students. Today, we'll discuss in straight lines another concept, that is angular bisector of two straight lines. It is a straight lines part 7. Now we'll discuss today about what is angular bisectors of two straight lines. Now, if we take two straight lines. So one, another one. These two are the two straight lines intersecting at a point, at this point. And if we take any one point, that point, now the angular bisector which bisect the angle between these two lines, here one angular bisector, what you're taking, this is, for example, this is like L1, this is L2. Now when coming to what is the angular bisectors, there is a two possible bisectors are possible. One is acute angular bisector, another one is obtuse angle bisector. Now, what is meaning of acute angle bisector? This one is the acute angle bisector. And next one more is possible, that is obtuse angle bisector. Now, these two are the angular bisectors we have taken. Now, in this, here, what is the actual definition of angular bisector? Now, angular bisector is the locus of a point which moves such a way that its distance from two intersecting lines is same. That means the locus of point, if you take any point on this angular bisector, for example, I taken the point is P in this. Now the perpendicular distance between these two intersecting lines is equal. Now if we take perpendicular distance take between these two from P to first line, similarly from second line to P point. Now here both are here clearly perpendicular to each other. Their angle is clearly 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. And there is a one more this angle is made between these two lines. And the same here also angle is possible between, that is a obtuse angle here. This is a clearly acute angle. Okay. Now on this, I'll take one more point, that is some other point locus, that is Q. Here also, if you take perpendicular distance between two, the point to the given intersecting lines, if you draw perpendicular distance, now in this is a simple diagram for this. Here also the angle is clearly 90 degrees. Here also the angle is 90 degrees. That means between the two straight lines, if two lines are intersecting, then how many angular bisectors are possible? Two. One is acute angle bisector, another one is obtuse angle bisector. Now in this, the actual definition right now clearly, the angular bisector is a angular bisector is the locus of a point which moves such a way that its distances from two intersecting lines remains same. That means here, for example, P2, I'll take this is PM, this is PN. Clearly, what we can say that PM length is equal to PN length. Now here, if you take the point P is, for example, the point P like this. That is x1 comma y1. That is a point P. Or if you take only xy comma xy, if you take also, no issue in that case. Xy also you can take. That is the locus point. The point P locus point we are taking x comma y. Here perpendicular distance. How to find equation of angular bisectors? The perpendicular distance, that is from P to L1, that is Pn. P to L2 is a PM. Now distance between point to the line we know already. The equation of L1, that is equation of L1 is A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. Second line equation is A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Now as for this, PM is equal to PN. Exact, if you want to first line, these two terms if you want means, we'll take from P2 first line L1 and P2 second line L2. If you want exact notations, you'll take first left side is PN, right side is PM. Okay. Now to find the equation of angular bisector, that is PN is equal to PM. We know perpendicular distance from point to the line L1. PN is what? Perpendicular distance from point P to the first line. That is, we know clearly, that is modulus of A1x plus B1y plus C by root of A square, what? Nothing but A1 square plus B1 square. A1 square plus B1 square is equal to, similarly, PM is a perpendicular distance from point B to the second line, that is A2x plus B2y plus C2 divided by square root of A2 square plus B2 square. Now if you remove the modulus on both sides, then you will get two set of equations, A1x plus B1y plus C plus C by plus C1, sorry, plus C1 by root of A1 square plus B1 square. If you remove the modulus, you'll get plus or minus, that is A2x plus B2y plus C2 divided by square root of same term, A2 square plus B2 square. Now in this, when we have to take plus, when we have to take minus, it will decide based on the way of few conditions. Based on the conditions, we can identify easily. This is the general equation of angular bisectors between the lines L1 and L2. Now next, when coming to next, how to identify when we have to take acute angle bisector, when we have to take obtuse angle bisector, we need to identify. Now, which is a suitable, correct one have to take in this. Now here, for example, already we know, we know the L1 line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Second line L2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now, here for example, if c1 and c2 both are positive, okay, both are positive. Now, in case, now when you take acute, when you take obtuse, symbol, sign also when will come, we can identify. For example, here you'll find out first a1, a2 plus b1, b2 value. If a1, a2 plus b1, b2 is positive, when for acute angle bisector, acute angular bisector, another one is obtuse angle bisector. Obtuse angular or angle bisector. Now in this, when this value becomes positive, now which sign we need to take here, we can identify easily. Okay. Just remember the symbols. Similarly, next to a1, a2 plus b1, b2 is less than 0. Okay, for example, a1, a2 plus b1, b2 is 0, then clearly we know that lines are clearly perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now here, when a1, a2 plus b1, b2 is positive, for acute angle bisector, already we given before formula, in that you have to take minus symbol. Obtuse means plus. Here a1, a2 plus b1, b2 is negative, then you will take plus here, take here minus. This is a way to identify based on the given terms. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 is positive. Acute angle bisector minus symbol. Obtuse angle bisector plus symbol. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 is less than 0. Then acute angle bisector is plus symbol. I have to take in that formula. And obtuse angle bisector is minus. We should take. Okay, next. A similar way. Now, if, and one more thing we should remember the point here, both acute and obtuse angular bisectors are always perpendicular to each other. Are always perpendicular. Okay, next. Here is one more thing. In this, if, for example, they not mention the values wise, for example, the statement is given, if the bisector having or contains origin point, then what is actual angular bisector? It is acute or obtuse, we can't decide, both is possible, but symbol is what you have to take, either plus or minus, we don't know. That is equation of angular bisector contains or having contains origin. If any angular bisector on the angular bisector line, origin point is there, then take always positive symbol. In the formula, I will take plus symbol. That is gives equation of angular bisector contains origin point. If same thing, equation of angular bisector not contains origin. Take negative symbol. Okay. Next, one more. Other than origin, that means, for example, 2, 3 is there on the given bisector, then we have to take plus or minus, we don't know. Okay. That is equation of angular bisector having a point alpha comma beta, then which are the conditions we can identify. Now we know already first line and second line. I'll substitute alpha beta in that line expression. That means a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. In that, in expression, we'll substitute alpha beta. That is, if a1 alpha plus b1 beta plus c1 and one value next, a2 alpha plus b2 beta plus c2. You'll find these two values. If these two values having same sign is there, then you will take positive, because now having same sign. When same sign is there, then you will take angular bisector. With the positive symbol will take. In that formula will take plus. Similarly, that is a one condition. Next, second, if a1 alpha plus b1 beta plus c1 and a2 alpha plus b2 beta plus c2 having opposite sign, both having opposite sign. Here what happened in first case, both having same sign, nothing but either both values are positive or both values are negative. In that case, while finding equation of angular bisector, in the formula take plus symbol there. If these two terms having opposite sign, that means one is plus, one is minus, or one is minus, one is plus, then for while taking angular bisector, while finding now angular bisector, take only negative sign, that is angular bisector. What symbol here? We have to take minus. Now just I'm not writing all formulas, just we know already standard formula for that. In that both are involved. The both are involved means nothing but in that there is acute angle and obtuse angle. But when you have to take plus, when you have to take minus, we don't know. By these conditions, we can recognize easily which conditions we need to apply correctly for the values. Okay, now based on this concept, let's discuss a few problems. This question number 1. The vertices of a triangle are first point A -1 comma -7, B 5 comma 1, C 1 comma 4. We need to find the equation of the bisector of angle ABC. We need to find out that is angular bisector at B point. Okay, here if we take triangle, we can understand easily. This is triangle ABC. Here I'll take, this is A, this is B, this is C. That means here we need to find angular bisector of this equation. Now at B point we need to find, here the angular bisector we need to find at B. This equation we need to find out. Okay, now Now this angular bisector between which lines? AB and BC. But we don't know here AB and BC value equations. If you know the AB and BC equations, we can find easily. First I'll find out equation of AB. Now equation of AB means by using 2 points formula, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Here y minus y1. Now if you take A, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Y minus of minus plus 7 by y2. Y2 is 1 minus of minus plus 7. X minus x1, that is minus 1 minus of minus plus. X2 is 5 minus of minus plus 1. So y plus 7 by 8 is equal to x plus 1 by 6. You can cancel out 2 4s are and 2 3s are. Cross multiply. 3y plus 7 is equal to 4x plus 4. Now we'll send y term and constant right side. Then equation of AB is 4x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. This is equation of AB. Next we'll find out equation of BC. Now BC also same like 2 points from y minus. Now this values becomes like x1, y1, x2, y2. y1 is 4 clear, 1 only. By y2, y2 is 4, I think, 4 minus 1, that is 3. X minus x1, x minus 5 by x2 is 1, minus 5, that is minus 4. Cross multiplication, minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 15. Send y term on the remaining right side. 3x plus 4y, 4 becomes minus 4 total, minus 19 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here, but which bisector we need to take in this, either plus symbol or minus symbol, we don't know. Here that for that, I told already, find the value of A1, A2 and B1, B2 values. Here A1, A2 value. Now I'll find out A1, A2 value. In the from first line AB, this is BC line. Now I'll write A1 value is 4, B1 value minus 3. The C1 is not required in this case, don't take. From second line, take A2 value, A2 is 3, B2 is 4. Now I'll find out A1, A2 plus B1, B2 value. So directly also we can take condition wise here. Now it's clearly both are perpendicular to each other will get, because A1, A2 plus B1, B2 value. 4 into 3, that is 12, minus 3 into 4, that is minus 12. That means what? Clearly AB and BC both are perpendicular to each other. That's why this angular bisector clearly we can take plus sign, no issue in that. That's why I'm taking, to find the angular bisector, I'm taking the equation of this angular bisector is clearly A1x, that is a B is like a minus 4x minus 3y minus 3 by root of a square. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9 is equal to like plus only, because perpendicular you will get in between that values exactly, because another bisector becomes coincide with this one of the lines. Okay, now only one internal bisector is possible, so we'll take plus symbol in next. Second one, what we'll get here in this case, 3x plus 4y minus 19 divided by root of a square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, but denominators are same only, will be gets cancelled. Now we'll send all x value, y value this side. 3x take this side, 4x minus x, 3x is x, minus 3y plus 4y becomes minus 4, that is minus 7y. Here this value becomes minus now, that's the total, how much we get. Sorry, here small correction in AB line, because AB line here the value changes. Here 3 cross multiplication means 3y, 7 3 is 21. We forgot to multiply 3. So here if you take 3y 21 this side, 4x minus 3y, 4 minus 21 is, so you will get minus 17, you will get minus 17. This is minus 17 is equal to 0. So here also we will replace the 17 only. Here clearly what here, this is minus 17. So here if we say take minus 19 this side, minus 17 plus 19 is clearly what we will get, plus 2 equal to 0. Here what happened here, the reason why I am taking like that, now here BC is there like this, AB clearly becomes what here, perpendicular. This both are becomes perpendicular. Now if I take angular bisector in this case, here the only one angular bisector we can take, that's why I'll take plus symbol only, because the internal angular bisector symbol, that's why I'll take only plus sign in this case. Next, one more problem based on this. If 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 is a bisector of angles between the lines a into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 2, and the second line c into x minus 1 plus d into y minus 2 is equal to 0. They're asking other angular bisector. One angular bisector already given. Another angular bisector we need to find out. Okay. Now, already given statement, each angular bisectors are clearly perpendicular to each other. That's why, and one more thing, if you observe these two lines are satisfied by the points in this case what here, into y minus 2 equal to 0. And these both lines will be satisfied by the point is 1, 2, because now the point of intersection of, take this is equation 1, this is equation 2, point of intersection of 1 and 2 clearly, because at that point only both will be satisfied, because at 1, 2 if you substitute in these, both will be satisfied. So this point of intersection is 1, 2. Here the angular bisector is also what, passing through the same point of intersection where these two lines are intersecting, and which is perpendicular to this given angular bisector. Okay, now exactly if you want means, you will take like this. First line, second line, this point already we know, internal bisector. Now already one angular bisector is given. We need to find another angular bisector which is perpendicular to this one. Now this is like okay, equation 1. This is equation 2. This is given angular bisector 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Although we know this point of intersection, that is 1, 2. We need to find equation of this. This one we don't know. Here what happened? These two are clearly what here, perpendicular to each other. Now passing through point already we know, but we don't know, because now we'll take equation of angular bisector perpendicular to given one, 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have already formula equation of line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is, the coefficients will interchange, bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Same process, because already we know point, because through this point all lines are passing. Now the equation what we'll get is b. What is a b here? 1. So 1 into xx, a value 2, that is minus 2y plus k equal to 0. This is a required equation. This equation we don't know. Take 3. This equation passing through which point is passing also through 1, 2. This is passing through which point? 1, 2. Substitute x value 1. 1, 2 into 2, 4 plus k. Minus 3 plus k equal to 0. What is k value? 3. This 3 substitute in equation 3. Now from that, what you will get equation of other bisector? X minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Next model. Based on this, they are asking the bisector. Of acute angle between the lines (4x plus 3y) minus 6 equal to 0. Next line 5x plus 12y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, they're asking bisector clearly, acute angle bisector. Okay, but say sign, symbol plus or minus, we don't know. Now we'll decide based on this which one, based on a1 a2 plus b1 b2 value. Now take what is a1 value 4, b1 value 3, a2 value 5, b2 value 12. If you find out a1 a2 plus b1 b2, clearly you'll get greater than 0 only, because all are positive. So when a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is positive, for acute angle bisector, symbol what you will take? Minus. That's why we'll take now equation of acute angle bisector is a1x, that is 4x plus 3y minus 6 by square root of this value is 4 square is 16 plus 9 is equal to, symbol what here take? Minus. That is very, very important. 5x plus 12y minus 9 by root of 5 square 25 plus 12 square is 144. Here 4x plus 3y minus 6, I think this is a root 25, that is 5, minus of 5x plus 12y minus 9, this is a root 169, that is 13. Cross multiplication, 13 4s are, that is 52x, 13 3s are 39y, 13 6 are, that is 78. Is equal to 5 with minus multiply, what will you get? Minus 25x minus 60y minus or minus plus 9 5s are 45. Take all value this side. 52x plus 25x, total 77x plus 60, it becomes 39, that is 99 y. 78, this becomes sorry, here plus 9 is given in the second equation. Take plus 9 ma. Plus 9 means here becomes what here? Minus 9. So minus 45. This minus 45, this side becomes what? Plus. Now minus 78 plus means how much will get? Minus 33 will get. If you take 11 is common from this, or divide with 11, what will get equation? 7x plus 9y minus 3 equal to 0. That is acute angle bisector for this question. Next, one more problem. Next, they're asking obtuse. Okay. The equation of the bisector of the obtuse angle between the lines. What are the lines is given? Given x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Next 7x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Here they're asking obtuse angle. Here also we don't know symbol. I take plus or minus. Common formula is there. In that we have plus or minus. But in this, which is suitable, we have to take based on the values of a1, a2 and b1, b2. a1 value 1, b1 value minus 1. a2 value 7, b2 value 1. And find out a1, a2 plus b1, b2. 1 into 7, 7 minus 1. It's clearly greater than 0. That's why when obtuse angle bisector means symbol, we should take what here? Plus. Already in table we given a1, a2 plus b1, b2 is positive. For acute is minus, obtuse is plus. Now equation of obtuse angle bisector or angular bisector a1x, that is x minus y plus 2 by square root of x coefficient is 1 square 1, y coefficient minus 1 whole square also 1. Equal to symbol is what here? Plus 7x plus y plus 1 by root of 7 square 49, 1 square is 1. X minus y plus 2 by root 2 is equal to 7x minus y plus 1 by root 50. Now here x minus y plus 2 by root 2 is equal to 7x minus y, not minus, sorry, plus 1 by root 50, you can write 25 2, so that is 5 root 2. So root 2 gets cancelled, 5 cross multiply. Now what will get? 5x minus 5y plus 10 equal to 7x plus y plus 1. Now this all terms send the right side. 7x minus 5x, that is 2x. Y minus 5x becomes plus 5. 5 plus 5y plus y, 6y. Yeah. 10 take that side, that is 1 minus 10, that is minus 9 equal to 0. That is the required equation of a obtuse angle bisector. Thank you. Remaining will discuss in next session.